Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to make private TikTok videos public. So first let's open up TikTok and then press our profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, where you then want to press the three little lines in the top right hand corner. This is the hamburger menu. This will bring up the little menu here where you then want to press settings and privacy. We then want to come down into the content display section and select activity center. Once this loads, you should see towards the bottom, manage post visibility. And then across the top here, you want to select only you, and all the private videos will be listed here. It'll look like this, and then you want to select it, like that, then press next, and then change it to everyone, like that. And that's how to make a private TikTok video public. It's very easy. Hopefully this video shows you how easy it is, and if it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.